Hi everyone, in today's lesson we want to solve this expression a plus b equal to 22 and a multiplied by b equals to 45. What is the value of a and what is the value of b? Solution. So we have first this expression to be taken as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So we have a plus b equal to 22 as equation 1, ab equal to 45 as equation 2. So here all we need to do next is to make b the subject of the formula in equation 1. So we have b will be equal to 22 minus a. So we can now substitute this and we call this equation 3. We substitute this into equation 2. So we have a into bracket 22 minus a, that will be equal to 45. So next we open the bracket. So we have 22a minus a squared equal to 45. So we can rearrange this. If we rearrange this, we have this come to the left hand side and we have minus a raised to power 2 plus 22a minus 45 will be equal to 0. So here if we multiply both sides by minus 1, it will change the sign. So we now have a raised to power 2 minus 22a then plus 45. So from here this expression cannot be factorized. So we use the quadratic equation. So here we have a to be equal to 1, b to be equal to minus 22, then c equal to 45. So here we apply that. We have a is equal to minus into bracket minus 22 close the bracket plus or minus square root of minus 22 into bracket raised to power 2 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 45 over 2 then multiplied by 1. So our expression now becomes a will be equal to 22 plus or minus square root 20 minus 22 raised to power 2 will give us 484 minus 4 multiplied by 1 then multiplied by 45 equal to 180. Everything over 2. So we now have here the next step to be equal to 22 plus or minus the simplification of this give us square root of 304 over 2. So we can now simplify this radical. So we have that to be equal to square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 19 will give us this back. So don't forget we have 22 plus or minus, okay, this equal to this. So we have the whole of this to be equal to 22 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 19 divided by 2. So now we have from here square root of 16 give us 22 plus or minus square root of 16 give us 4, then square root of 19 over 2. So this 2 here 1, 2 in 22 will be 11, and 2 in 4 will give us 2. So we have our value of a to be equal to 11 plus or minus 2 square root of 19 will be the value of a. And here the value of a here will be a1, which will be equal to 11 plus 2 square root of 19. Then a2 will be equal to 11 minus 2 square root of 19. So we have gotten two value of a. We've gotten two value of a from this expression. Then we can now find the value of b. So to find the value of b, we apply the equation 3. So our equation 3 implies b equal to 22 minus a. Okay, 22 minus a is value of b. So if we apply this, we insert the two value of a twice to confirm the two value of b as well. So we have b will be equal to, and that will be equal to, we want to find the value of b1 now. b1 will be equal to 22 minus a1. So we apply the value of a1 here to get b1. So b1 will be equal to a1, which is, that is b1 equal to 22 minus a1, which is 11 plus 2 square root of 19. So here this becomes 11. This initially becomes, so 11. So the minus sign multiply the bracket. So we have 11 minus 2 square root of 19, which is what? b1. Then to get b2, we have b2 equal to 22 minus a2. So our a2 is given as 22. Our a2 is given as b2 equal to 22 minus a2, which is 11 minus 2 square root of 19. So this becomes 22 minus 11, then plus 2 square root of 19. So this becomes 11 plus 2 square root of 19, which is what? b2. Now the two value of b. Now value of b is given as b1 equal to 11 minus 2 square root of 19. b2 equal to 11 plus 2 square root of 19. So these are the two value of b1 and b2. So to verify this verification, so we verify this verification of this value to confirm our earlier expression, so which implies A plus B equal to 22. So we apply the value of A. So we can take any of the two values. Seems they are similar. So we have A1 and A1 and B1. So we apply that. A1, which is equal to 11 plus 2 square root of 19 plus B1, which is 11 minus 2 square root of 19, which is all equal to 22. So here this can cancel out with this. So we are left with 11 plus 11, which is equal to 22. 11 plus 11, 22, is equal to 22. So we verify this equation 1. The correctness of the equation 1 has been verified. So for equation 2, which implies AB equal to 45. AB equals to 45. So we apply the same value. We can as well apply the value of A2 and B2 as well. So we have A2. Let's use A2 and B2. So that gives us 11 minus 2 square root of 19 multiplied by B2. 11 plus 2 square root of 19. Everything equals to 45. So here, if we multiply the two brackets, we are going to have 121. This multiplied by this 121. So if we expand this, we have this expression. So from here we have this, we cancel out with this. So we are left with 121 minus 4 into bracket 19 equal to 45. So here, this multiplied by this, you have 121 multiplied by this give us 76 equal to 45. So we now have 121 minus 76, we're given by 45, which is equal to 45, which proves the left hand side LHS equal to RHS, that our expression is verified for the two values of A and B. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like the video, and share the video to your loved ones. And we'll meet in the next lesson. Bye.